Verma here from ACE Update Magazine. I have with me Mr. Sunil J, who is the head of Building Solutions from ABB India. Thank you for your time, sir. What are the home automation solutions offered by ABB and what are the technologies associated?
So basically, when we speak about home automation from ABB's portfolio, today what we are trying to approach with the home automation solution is to provide a holistic approach to the solution, customers, where we speak more about the energy efficiency, sustainability, and the comfort for the users. Initially, when we started home automation 20 years back, it was all about controlling lighting, blind control, and temperature control. But today, market has evolved towards the next level of home automation system, and that is what we wanted to push in the market, where we speak more about controlling the home with the efficient way in terms of sustainable aspects of the building, and also make sure that the home is really secured, in nature. So, in that view, we are providing a holistic view of home automation solutions, which will cater to the future of future requirements of customers coming from different parts of the country, and different requirements as such from basically from the customer point of view.
So you were speaking about sustainability and energy efficiency. So when we speak about your home solutions, home automation solutions offered by ABB, how do they enhance the energy efficiency, or how energy efficient are they?
So basically, when we look at home automation solution as such, for typically in any home automation solution, the major consumption points is basically lighting and HVAC, right? So we have solutions which can enhance the user experience by making sure that we reduce the energy consumption, but in the meantime we also enhance the comfort of the user. So there is no point in reducing the energy consumption by defeating the comfort of the user. So we have to balance the act of both the comfort of for the user as well as the efficiency point of it. So we have technologies which will help the customers in terms of reducing the energy consumption, specifically in the HVAC field. By, for example, using the time-based switching on of switching off of HVAC units, or probably using a presence detector. So these are some of the functionality which will enhance the user experience, but in the meantime also ensure our energy is saved to the certain extent, where we can create an ROI point of view. That's very important, because in today's scenario, it's not just a lifestyle for the home owners in terms of investing in this technology. It's also an ROI point where they can get the payback from the installation what we have done.
We speak about home automation solutions. So when technology is involved, like cyber security and data breach is always coming along. So how does ABB address these, or take care of these as a solution provider?
So this is being very critical in nature in today's scenario, because all these days the home automation control was within the home, right? But in today's scenario, the home automation system is beyond homes. I mean, outside the homes. Basically, the control has to be from outside the world also. So in this regard, we have you know. Three levels of security aspects. Basically, one from the field devices. Whenever we connect a device in the home, it is encrypted, right? So we use a technology called KNX. So it's all encrypted communication from the data layer point of view, and then from the IP layer, it is also encrypted with the IP secure platform. And of course, from the cloud point of view, we have the secure cloud from the ABB's offering, where the end-to-end encryption is possible right from the mobile operation to the level of switching on any devices. Everything is encrypted, and the owner can freely operate the installation without any hassle or without any security threat of the installation from as such. Yeah.
So how do you, or what kind of training do you offer for integrating your systems into homes?
Yeah. So this is also very important aspect, because the technology what we are saying could be not accepted widely in terms of the end users, because it's a technology which we have to guide the users as well as the integrators who are bringing the system to the end customer, right? So we have a certain level of training programs which is basically for the integrators. How do we operate the system? How do we install the system and commission the system? This is from the integrators point of view. And for the customers also, we have sessions from the integrators whom we train, so that they take it to the customer and make sure that the system is reachable to the customer in terms of how they want to operate. So we have training centers in our organizations which can bring training programs to the integrators and installers. These are certified training programs. It is a rigorous training program, 5-day training program, which ensures a proper approach or proper training program for the integrators, which will create an ecosystem, right? The more you train the people, the more the awareness builds. So that is very important, and we believe in such training programs to educate the market, and as such, this will get enhanced with the customer also when it comes to home automation service.
So, as we speak about your products and solutions, can you just touch upon these certifications, whether they are internal or if they are, from an international body, whatever certifications you have got?
So as I mentioned, we operate a protocol called KNX, which is a worldwide open system for home and building automation solutions. So KNX as such is a global protocol. So the certification what we do is on behalf of KNX. So we are tutors for the KNX system. So we train people or integrators on KNX platform, which is a global certification, right? It is not coming from any organization. It is coming from KNX globally. So once a partner or an integrator takes a KNX certification program, they become a partner, for the global reach. So they get a partner certification, which will be listed on the global website of KNX Association, and they can take up any KNX jobs based on the partner certification. So this is being done in our facility in Bangalore. So as I mentioned, now home automation has gone beyond the conventional way of doing the solution approach. So we also wanted to aggressively push this kind of a next level solution, which will focus more on energy efficiency, sustainability by enhancing the comfort of the user. So this is something which we are dedicatedly working upon and educating the customers, because all these days, as I mentioned, we were always focused on the approach of providing the lighting controls, but the market is demanding more. The more and more people are getting educated, the more and more the functionality requirement are building up. So we are building a platform to create an ecosystem where we speak about a holistic solution. In the meantime, we also make sure that there is an ROI point involved in it, because we don't want our customers to just look this as a lifestyle product. We wanted our customers to also believe that this can bring in paybacks. So this is the approach we wanted to make sure that this is being pushed to the market, and ensure our customers also realize that this solutions can be implemented, and they can earn of it in terms of paybacks, and also in terms of energy consumption. The more we have such kind of a solution, the lesser the energy consumption, which will also contribute towards sustainability approach from the company's point of view. So
Great. Thank you very much for your time. It was lovely interacting.
yeah.